Hi Boss Babes, Cassidy Riendo, founder of Wicked Social here, ready to teach you how to create a logo using Canva. Canva is a very user-friendly design platform that I recommend most of my clients to use if they want to design an asset on their own. So let's get to it. Step 1 is to go to canva.com using your search engine such as Google or Bing. Once you get to the correct website, you'll see a home screen similar to this one. This video is going to show you specifically logo design, but definitely check out my other videos to walk through designing other assets as well. There are two ways to get to a logo design start. You can click on the logo icon under You Might Want to Try section on the Canva homepage, or type and search logo in the search bar. Once you choose a logo as an asset, you'll be brought to this design page. I've pointed out a few key and important parts to be familiar with here. So in the top right section, you can name your logo design. For example, Wicked Social logo. In the center of the page, you will see a square asset, which is where you will work through any updates and changes you make to your very own logo design. And lastly, the left-hand section is where you will choose elements to add to your logo, upload your asset, or add text. In this video, I will show you how to view a pre-made design or template and work through changes to make it your own. Click the top Design button to search through those pre-designed templates. I would recommend spending a few minutes looking at what type of logo that you like, whether that's a simple letter design, an image design, or maybe a mix between the two. Once you have chosen a design you want to work with, click on it and we can get started. Now in the center is where you can click to change the background color like this. You can click into a text box and edit the text to mimic your business name and letters like so. Want more to your design? Click on the Elements tab on the left-hand side and search for something you'd like to add to your design. For example, I'm going to search marketing, and I'm showing you the different types of elements that Canva offers, which are graphics, photos, videos, audio tracks, and more. Say I want to add this graphic to my design. I simply click on it and it will be added to my design. Now I can click and hold it to move it around my logo. I can also move the corners of the graphic to resize it and drag it to move it around. You can also change the color of a graphic if it allows, similar to the way that we change the background color simply by selecting the color icon here. You can also flip the image horizontally or vertically like so, or crop it if you needed to. There are also animation capabilities by clicking Animate on a specific element. Please note you can add in multiple animations by clicking on different elements and adding the animations on an individual basis. Here's an example. Scroll down in the element animation section and you can change the speed and direction of the animation. Here you can change the transparency of an element. If you want to delete an element, just click it and press delete on your keyboard. Voila, Boss Babes! You have created your own logo using Canva as a design program. If you're having too much trouble or you want someone to design it for you, definitely reach out to my team at wickedsocial.com or email me directly at cassidyriendo@wicked-social.com. Please subscribe to the Wicked Social channel to learn more, or drop a question and comment in the video. Thanks, guys.